Hey, I'm here today to talk about something that I don't think is spoken about enough, and that is your ability to remove yourself from your business in order to be able to grow. Most jewelry designers, especially the struggling jewelrypreneurs, don't really understand the gravity of them doing all the things in their business and what this is really doing or how this is really affecting their business and their potential for growth to six figures, multiple six figures, and beyond that to even seven figures. And if you're stuck in your business doing all the things, you are going to be literally stuck in a catch-22 forever. So today, I'm here to show you how to replace yourself slowly but surely so that you can grow your business and scale your sales. Are you ready? If you want to become a 6+ figure jewelry designer and beyond, listen up because I got some good stuff for you today. So this whole thing came about because we started working with a designer named Canella of Cinnamon Sticks Jewelry many years ago. She had come to us because her business actually was faltering a little bit. She had been on Etsy for years, had a great Etsy business, and then all of a sudden Etsy algorithms changed. You've heard the story before. It's happened to many designers. Her sales ultimately started to shrink. And she just got tired of it. She wanted to take control of her business. And so we helped her kind of transition her sales from Etsy to build a business beyond relying on someone else's platform. Something wonderful happened. She landed some really great accounts and really great orders, not only on her website, but also with an amazing store called Uncommon Goods. And when she got that order, she wasn't really expecting them to order so many units and to have such great success with her pieces. And she realized right away that she was in trouble because she had to do everything because she wasn't set up to actually build a business that was scalable and to remove herself. And so we had to work really hard and diligently with her in order to help her replace herself so that she could actually fulfill those orders and continue growing her sales. She is now, good news, doing multiple six figures. She had one of her best years ever in business last year, and she is really kicking some butt. So if you're someone who wants to reach those goals, online and offline, being able to scale your sales to multiple six figures and beyond, here is what you need to be thinking about right now. Okay, so the first thing that you need to do if you want to be able to replace yourself so that you can scale your business and reach all your financial dreams in your jewelry business is to create systems. Now, you might have heard this before, and I want to ask you honestly, are you creating systems in your business? If the answer is no, I want to really encourage you to start now, even if you don't have anyone else working with you, because this is the first step that is going to help you be able to outsource social media, let's say, or bring an intern in to help you with shipping, or to help get an admin in to help you do filing or do some things on your computer, whatever it might be. So you're going to create systems really simply. You're going to document those systems by recording yourself, using your video camera. This is a great way, or your iPhone even, or your smartphone, any sort of video camera, wherever you're getting it. You can even document yourself making your jewelry so that you have a system if you ever need to bring in production help. So this is one way. You can document on a video. You can get a screen sharing app like Loom where you can record your computer screen and document the steps as you're doing it. Or you can document things in the written form in a step-by-step process in Google Docs. I highly recommend utilizing all three of these things for maximum effect with your systems. You ready? Okay, so the next step of this is to delegate to elevate. We all are doing things that are below our pay grade. Raise your hand if you're doing things that are below your pay grade, because I know you are. And here's the thing. If you don't get those low leverage tasks off your plate, you're always going to be struggling to move beyond and get to the next step. Because if you're doing a $15 an hour job and you want to be doing hundreds of thousands of dollars a year in revenue, there's a disconnect there if you're doing all that stuff. And so at a certain point, you need to start bringing in outsourcers, maybe even hiring an employee or even just an independent contractor in the beginning. You don't have to go full gangbusters and hire the full kit and caboodle right from the start. What you want to do is start delegating things slowly, and you are able to do that because you've created the systems in order to do that, right? The third piece of this puzzle is really to be able to create some space, or what I like to call creative days, for strategy and business development. If you don't have the time and space to think about where you're going in business, how are you going to know where you're going? You need to be blocking out time consistently. I like to say once a week. You can do this on a daily basis by maybe blocking out your mornings to work on business strategy. You can do one day a week, but in the very least, you need at least one day a month that is fully committed to you, your growth, and your business development. This might also look like getting away on retreats with peers in your industry to talk about business strategy and talk about growing your business. This is really, really important. Trust me, from a 25-year small business veteran / entrepreneur, this is exactly what I've done for myself and my own business to scale to 7 figures and beyond. And also to help designers like Canella to reach that multiple 6-figure mark and be able to take on the kinds of orders and from multiple revenue streams that are actually building her business and recession-proofing her sales and her growth. And so I'd love to invite you to join me as well and get some support. We have a really amazing free Facebook community where we're helping designers who are trying to cross that multiple 6-figure mark and beyond. It's called the 6+ figure successful jewelry designer group. I'd love to invite you to join. If you're interested, make sure that you come, because we are down there dropping some truth bombs and giving you support to help you get to your next level of success. Can't wait to meet you. See you inside.